Fellow Glamazons, how's everyone doing today? If this is your first time joining us, what's up? My name is Natalie. This is my channel, Music to Makeup. So today's video is going to be an unboxing of my Boxycharm base box for the month of April. I actually didn't get any of my boxes because I changed my address. I changed my address on my Boxycharm profile, but then like a week before I was supposed to move, they were like, oh, the people that are in the apartment that you're supposed to move into decided to stay. So I had to get a completely different apartment. So as soon as I found out, I changed the apartment number and it was on the 1st, but it has to be before the 1st. So these both got sent to my old address. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go by there and see if it's there. And there they were. So I'm really excited to see what's in it. All right, so yeah, let's just get right into it. So Sweet Treats is the theme for this month. Ooh! I'm so glad I got this box. I would have been pissed. Okay, the first product is the Natasha Denona Jubilee eyeshadow palettes. I love me some Natasha Denona eyeshadows. So a special edition palette created exclusively for Boxycharm, featuring 5 colorful ultra pigmented shades that bring together a combination of celebration and balance between bold and pastel tones. Alright, so the only color in here that I know I won't use is that black, but it looks like it's a very, very intense black. If you're looking for an intense black, that is definitely it. But I want to swatch this green one. It looks really pretty. Oh, that's gorgeous. It's kind of like a mint. Oh, yes. Let me do the yellow too. Oh, that's so pretty. There's a lot of yellows I don't like, but this is a really pretty shade of yellow. Alright, I'm so excited about that. And moving on. Next, I feel like I've gotten this before. I know it's not the exact thing that I've gotten before, but I mean, almost. This is the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Icy Sherbet Primer. No, I think I have got this before. Yeah, I have. Pretty Filters, yep. But, so this will be going in a giveaway. Lock your looks in place and keep them cool with Icy Sherbet Primer. This gel primer has an instant cooling effect once applied that hydrates and preps skin for makeup. So this retails for $32. Let me just show you guys what it looks like. And I used it before. I mean, it's not bad. Wait, no, this looks completely different than the one I tried before. I guess it is different. Huh. I don't think the other one said sherbet. I think it was just like the Pretty Filter Primer. Did I say how much this retails for? $32 if I didn't. Okay. We have this Dragon Beauty Dragonfire Color Corrector. Helps to conceal, correct, and perfect the appearance of dark circles, discoloration, and blemishes. Alright, so this retails for $25, and mine is in lavender. And so lavender in color correcting is supposed to help with dullness and help brighten your skin, which I'm all about. So here's what it looks like. Let's do a swatcheroo. Okay. Pretty thick. Alright. I've actually never tried a purple color corrector. I usually go for like a peach one for under my eyes, but I am actually really excited to try this. $25, I think I said that. Okay. Next, we have this Unicorn Dust, where am I? Trend Beauty Unicorn Dust Trio Highlighter Palette. It features 3 shades of Unicorn Magic. So this retails for $12.50. Oh, that's it? I wonder how they are. Has anyone tried Trend Beauty's highlighters? They're actually really pretty colors. A lot of the times when I get like a highlighter palette from Boxycharm or Ipsy, they're colors that just don't work for me. Let me try Dreamer, which is the lightest one. Oh yeah. Ooh, that's pretty. It looks like it almost looks like it has a little bit of a pink in it. Just like a tiny bit. And let's do Mystical, which is like a light gold. Oh, almost a rose gold, actually. I don't know if you can see. Okay. They're very creamy too. I'm impressed that it's only $12.50. I will definitely be keeping this. And the last product is this, I'm not going to say it right, I don't know if it's Terry or Terray de Mars 008 Reddington Body Cleanser. An organic, low-foaming, aromatic, and soft cleanser suitable for all skin types. Infused with bioactive ingredients such as coffee and rosemary extracts, infusion with verbena oil. Together they tone, purify, and protect the skin, while aloe vera nourishes and softens it. Body cleaner. Okay, so this is 5.07 ounces, and it retails for $22. So let me add up the, oh, my phone's dead. Wonderful. I'm gonna use my computer. I'm gonna add up the total retail value of this box. Okay, the retail value is $139.50. I mean, it's not that much, but I am actually really excited about all the products. I would rather get products that I am actually excited about and will use rather than it be a super high retail value. You know what I'm saying? You know how they'll throw like a moisturizer in there and say it's $125. But this is a really good base box. Let me know what you guys think about it down below in the comments. Alright, I love you guys. I will see you in my next video.